Peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, or PPARs, are ligand-activated transcription factors and members of the nuclear hormone receptor superfamily. Other members of the family include the thyroid hormone receptor and the estrogen receptors. Like other nuclear hormone receptors, PPARs are ligand-activated transcription factors that control the expression of various target genes. PPARs first form a heterodimer partnership with a 9-cis-retinoic acid receptor, or RXR. The site at which the PPAR ligands physically interact with the receptor is known as the ligand binding domain, or pocket. Any substance, including selective PPAR modulators, that binds to a PPAR to activate the receptor is called a PPAR ligand. Activation occurs when the ligand binds to the PPAR RXR heterodimer, and there's a dissociation of the co-repressor molecule. After ligand binding, the PPAR undergoes conformational changes, which lead to recruitment of co-activators. Association of the co-activator initiates the assembly of a large cofactor protein complex that carries out the transcription of mRNA.